Shubh and Hiba, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. And thank you so much for doing this interview. So we actually received a lot of requests, from Jijaji Chatpare fans that they wanted an interview of you both together. And we do understand you have very busy schedules. So thank you so much for that. And first one, I would like to tell you that, your show is doing great. People are loving your chemistry. So tell me one thing. I want to ask the question from Shubh first. When you were offered this show, and correct me if I'm wrong, was it the first time you were working with Hiba? How was your whole experience, and what was the thoughts in your mind when you were saying yes to the show?
The first thoughts that I had in my mind when I got this, offer were that. Also, Kinnari, would you prefer me speaking in Hindi or English? I mean, what audience are we?
Any language which you prefer.
All right. Yeah. तो जो पहले thoughts थे जब मुझे इस show का offer आया, वर कि पहले तो comedy बहुत exciting लगा मुझे, क्योंकि वो चीज ऐसे specifically मैंने कभी नहीं की थी. और फिर शशांक बाली सर के साथ काम करने को लेकर मैं बहुत excited था. And since it's already such a big hit show, so it was a brilliant platform for me to explore comedy and reach the audiences.
Right. And tell me something, Hiba was already a part, for the first year for a long time. So, have you ever met Hiba, or what was your thought when you got to know that Hiba will be your opposite, will be the lead for the show?
We haven't worked together before. बट मैंने हिबा की बहुत तारीफ ऑलरेडी सुन रखी थी कई लोगों से. और हाय हिबा. तो हाय. तो हम लोग पहले दिन मॉक शूट पे मिले जब पहला मॉक शूट था हमारा. तो आई फॉरगॉट द क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, so how was when you got to know that you're going to work with Hiba? What was your initial reaction, since you said that you never met her any which ways for the first time?
Yeah, so मैंने काफी तारीफ सुनी, so मैं बहुत I was looking forward to it since she's such a good actor and she's done so well. So there was so much for me to gain working with her. तो जब मैं mock shoot पे मिला तो it was not a pleasant surprise because I was already expecting, given that मैंने उसकी इतनी तारीफें सुन रखी थी. And she turned out to be just like that. She was very cooperative and काम को लेकर की बहुत willing है, और it's a lot of ease working with her. So it was a very pleasant experience getting to know her.
That's so sweet. Shiv, thank you.
Okay, Hiba, talking to you, of course, you are associated with the show in the first season as well. You were coming in the second season. So tell me something, when the second season was offered to you, okay, what was there in your mind? Because ये track ही पूरा अलग था. It involved Ghost, जो आप ही का चेहरा है. So what was your initial reaction?
So basically, when I was first approached for the show, I did not know the storyline, and I didn't even ask for it in the beginning, because I really did believe in the combination of edit to our makers, the director Shashank Sir, Sanjay Sir, and Binay ma'am, and also Sub TV, because I did work with them before. So I could trust them blindly. And just one thing they told me when they asked me to come and sign for the show, they just said, just believe in us. This is something very different and exciting we are, getting on TV. And I think it's for the first time they have come up with spooky comedy. Like it has spooka tadka and comedy and mystery, all of it. So I think it's the very first time TV pe aa raha hai, or Sub TV pe especially aa raha hai. So I was really looking forward to it. And they told me there's a big surprise for you in the show, and did not tell me towards like almost 15-20 days pehle, when I was actually coming for the mock shoot. So they told me that you have 2 roles, and I'm like, what? And I'm like, yeah, you'll be playing a ghost and a living being, of course. Right. I was like, oh my god, and I was a little nervous. And in the beginning, I couldn't even sleep properly, because I was coming back to my work, to shooting after almost a year. So I was like really, really, really nervous, and this was something which I was exploring for the first time. So yeah, they did believe in me, and we all, have been putting a lot of hard work throughout. So yeah, I'm just waiting कि वापस से shoot resume हो because of the lockdown halt आ गया एक छोटा सा, so we're just waiting for it.
Okay. So tell me something. आप इस परिवार का पहले से हिस्सा है, but of course, Shubh was a new addition, and the initial season was famous for the comic timings, but also was famous for the cute chemistry which was there with the male co-star. So when you got to know about Shubh, what was your initial reaction? And because you were already a part of that family, did you made him comfortable, or was he already comfortable? Anything which you can share?
Okay, so I want to tell you. So when I met him for the first time, obviously पहली बार में कोई किसी से बात नहीं करता. I know that, but I think Shubh Ashish, he's like quite reserved as a person, and I don't think so he talks much on set also, and we actually hardly know each other. We have been working for past almost 3 months now, and I think he is quite a reserved person, and but I think he is comfortable, if I'm not wrong. Scene wise, professionally, I think we are quite comfortable with each other. We know what we want and kiske baad hum kya karne wale, what will be our next move. So we kind of know that now, because almost 3 mahine ho gaye. So I think we are pretty much comfortable doing scenes together. But I think he is quite reserved as a person.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm just going to ask some questions from the fans. Shubh, the first question is to you. As an actor, what's the one thing which you have learned from Hiba? And Hiba, the same question will be for you, but starting from you, एक ऐसी चीज जो आपने सीखे हिबा से as an actor, वो कौन सी होगी?
As an actor, one thing that I was even contemplating कि recently मैंने since हमने पिछले 2 महीने काम किया है, तो एक चीज जो मैंने नोटिस की, जो ईज वो रखती है अपने परफॉर्मेंस में, शी डजंट गेट टू वर्कड अप अबाउट थिंग्स. तो एक जो सहजता होती है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी हिबा के बारे में, कि शी डजंट मेक इट लुक लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, जो बहुत अपीलिंग लगता है ऑन स्क्रीन. That's one thing. And the second thing that I admire a lot about her is the willingness she has towards her work. काम के लिए वो कुछ भी करने को रेडी होती है बहुत willingly, जिससे शूटिंग बहुत आसान हो जाती है.
That's so sweet, yeah.
Okay.
For me, I've noticed one thing what he does with his script. So I've seen that ये हमेशा prepare होके आते हैं from his room when he's coming out of his room, and हम पहले read करते हैं. So whenever he's coming out of his room, he's fully prepared. He knows कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So I like that about him, and I feel I lack in that because I'm a very chore person. I don't read my scene before coming on the set. I read it with my director, but he's fully prepared, and I love his script, how nicely he highlights his lines, and properly he's writing everything कुछ नया addition हुआ है. So I really want to do that. I want to copy that from you because that's quite good. I like that, how he's always very prepared.
Right.
I think that the balance lies somewhere in the middle, कि ना आप ज़्यादा over prepare करें और ईज भी रखें अपने, you don't have to be very tense कि मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है सीन के लिए, और ये I think the perfect balance lies somewhere in the middle of both.
Right, correct. Okay, so my next question, I'll start with you, Hiba. The one scene of which you both together you really enjoyed the most, you thought it was challenging but it came out really well. So any scene if you want to tell to the fans.
There's a scene where I hit him with my scooty, and after that I come to him. Actually no. There's some miscommunication. What was that scene? I forgot. Shubhashi, what was that scene when I come for the first time to get you haldi wala milk? What was that scene? I forgot.
अच्छा, वो छत पे सीपी आती है, हल्दी वाला दूध पिलाती है, फोर्सफुली पिला देती है उसको.
हाँ, I found it really cute. वो कौन सा सीन के बाद था? क्या करते हो? ऐसा क्या होता है?
I think गुंडों से जो बचाता है जीजा जी सीपी को, उसके बाद.
Yeah, so I think वो कुछ 7th या 8th episode का ही है, where वो मुझे ना कुछ गुंडों से बचाता है. जीजा जी जो है वो मुझे गुंडों से बचाते हैं, and then I tell him कि क्यों किया, मैं अकेले हैंडल कर लेती. बेचारा थोड़ा सा पिट जाता है, पीटने के चक्कर में पिट जाता है, and I go and I get him this milk. और वो I think वो बहुत cute scene था. It was really nice, and it was very very natural. वो एकदम अच्छे से perform हुआ, हम दोनों ने बहुत अच्छे से किया था, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. And I like such light cute scenes between me and him. So I really enjoyed that scene, and also my friends and people from our work, they also told me that it came out really well, and
Right.
especially I enjoyed performing in that scene.
Right. Okay. The same question to is Yushub. The one scene of you together जो आपको लगा बहुत अच्छा है निखर के screen पे.
I really look forward to my scenes with Hiba क्योंकि it's a lot of fun. मतलब मैंने कई बार ये चीज कही है कि she's very spontaneous. तो first of all, even I enjoy those scenes a lot जो हिबा ने कहा. और मेरा भी I think favorite scene उसी दौरान का है जब पहली बार वो सीपी को बचाने के सिलसिले में पिट जाता है वो, और फिर जो उनका एक क्यूट रोमांटिक मोमेंट कह लीजिए. और मुझे ये सेटअप बड़ा प्यारा लगता है कि ये लोग कैसे बचपन से देव ग्रोन अप टुगेदर और लड़ाई झगड़ा भी करते हैं और थोड़ी बहुत प्यार मोहब्बत भी हो जाती है. तो वो सीन्स मुझे बड़े अच्छे लगे थे. व्हेन सीपी आई मीन व्हाट डू यू से, वो मरहम पट्टी करती है जीजा जी की, और इवन लड़ाई झगड़े वाले सीन्स मुझे बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द गिव एंड टेक, जो स्पॉन्टेनिटी होती है कि अगर मैं कुछ करता हूँ तो मतलब आई एम श्योर कि हिबा विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. मतलब इट डजंट हैव टू बी अरे यार ये तो ऐसा ही है और ऐसा ही करना है. तो वो स्पॉन्टेनिटी एंड गिव एंड टेक समथिंग दैट आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इन डूइंग सीन्स विद हर.
Okay, I'm just going to ask you last two questions and we'll wrap this interview. Starting from you, Shubh, you have to reveal one best thing about Hiba as a person, which you find it like it's the best thing about her. What would be that thing?
Like she said कि हम लोग मतलब पर्सनली एक दूसरे को बहुत ज्यादा नहीं जान पाए पिछले 2 महीनों में, बट मतलब like I said, मुझे I really like her work ethic, and there's a reason that she's done so well in her career. Her willingness and the spontaneity, and as an actor, I really admire.
Right. Hiba, the same question to you.
As I told you, we do not really know each other personally. But one thing I really like, on set ना मुझे ज़्यादा ना इधर उधर की बातें करने वाले लोग नहीं पसंद है. Even I like, अपने काम से मतलब रखो. So I really like this thing about Shubh, that he's, trying to, be in his own zone, working hard and true to his work. That's really important as an actor or as a professional, I would say. कोई भी जगह हो, तो मुझे ये चीज पसंद है कि ये he is in himself and working, काम करना है और कुछ फालतू की gossiping नहीं करनी on set. So I think that's what I like
lost
about
connectivity.
him.
Yeah, that's actually the best quality. Yeah. Okay. So the last, it's actually the best quality because it's very rare to find. So the last question, which the fans wanted to ask you, if you can reveal one weird habit about your co-star, or if you can just imitate your co-star, like any typical habit of your co-star. Everyone has a weird and a typical habit. So anything. I'm starting from you, Shubh.
Okay, you're starting with me.
Yeah. Because Hiba is thinking.
Okay, so I'll start with the imitation, जो कि बहुत popular है हमारे set पे. The way Hiba calls her assistant on set, and it goes like Arjun. So that's a big hit on our set. Yeah. It's nothing really weird about her that I've noticed. वो मैं आपको कुछ समय बाद बता पाऊंगा.
Okay, Hiba, your turn.
Oh God, कितना difficult question है. Generally ना ये नहीं होता है difficult question, but when it comes to Shubh, oh God, I don't know. ये तो चुप रहता है. इसका imitation मैं ऐसे बताती हूँ, ऐसे होगा. क्योंकि चुप रहता है. He's always, on this silent mode. Always. That's what I've noticed. Siff scene mein he's talking. So yeah, that's how I can imitate him. And I think that's the weird thing about him. अच्छी भी चीज़ है और weird चीज़ भी है. चलो, copy paste. अच्छी चीज़ भी और weird भी.
Okay, so thank you so much, Hiba. Thank you so much, Shubh, for the wonderful interview. And जाते जाते अगर अपने fans को कुछ भी message देना चाहे अपने show के related, Shubh, starting from you, what would be that message?
अभी के टाइम में जो खास तौर पे ये मैसेज मैं देना चाहूंगा कि हर कोई मतलब प्रिकॉशंस को बहुत केयरफुली फॉलो करे, घर पे रहे, अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान रखे, अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखे. आई थिंक दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मैसेज राइट नाउ.
Hiba?
Yes, and I would like to say that positive रहिए, positivity की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. रिपोर्ट्स पे नहीं, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में पॉजिटिव रहिए, और ऑब्वियसली हमारे शो का वेट करते रहिए, बिकॉज we'll get our new episodes very very soon. एंड थैंक यू सो मच, आप हमें इतना प्यार देते हैं और इतना सपोर्ट करते हैं, सो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहिए, सपोर्ट करते रहिए, एंड we'll come with new episodes very 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 soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shiva. Thank you so much, Shubh. It was wonderful interviewing you. Thank you so much, and I hope ये show जल्दी वापस से screens पे. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, Kinnari.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Ashi Singh and you watching me on Glitz Vision USA. Like, subscribe and comment.